Hello, teachers and administrators. Like many Title I schools, we are faced with significant challenges. We serve a diverse student population with socioeconomic disparities, language barriers, learning disabilities, and many of our students struggle tremendously in math. As an inclusive classroom teacher, we have the responsibility of designing a curriculum that is supportive of our students' special needs. Today, I will discuss 5 essential standards by the International Association for K-12 Online Learning, or INICO. Along with my presentation on INICO standards, I will discuss how the Khan Academy can support our blended initiative within our math program and bridge the access and achievement gaps for our students. The Khan Academy's mission is to provide a free, world-class education for anyone, anywhere. There are personalized learning resources for all ages and skill levels. With practical exercises and instructional videos, the math program guides learners from kindergarten to calculus with adaptive tools to support their diverse needs. The Khan Academy is also partnered with NASA, the Museum of Modern Art, the California Academy of Sciences, and MIT to provide specialized content.